2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Maybe she's sewing some nice little tank tops because that's what we're going to need with our temperatures feeling a lot more like spring. We are dealing with temps almost 10 to 15 degrees warmer than normal, and that will continue, although we are going to start seeing rain move through the area as well. Right now, taking a live look out over toward Baltimore, dealing with clear skies. We'll notice those clouds will increase, though, by tomorrow afternoon. So temperatures right now, before the clouds, before the rain, we're looking at 46 degrees in the Inner Harbor. Good afternoon or evening to you into Parkton here at 45 Middle River. That's the same for you in Aberdeen. You're now looking at 44. Radar right now, sweeping clear. This will not be the case once we get on into Tuesday and into Wednesday. That's when we have a series of storm systems on the way. First, though, we have a warm front coming in our direction. You can see also high pressure. That is clockwise flow. So it's delivering our winds with the southerly component. Not only is it picking up heat for us and our friends all across the East Coast, but it's also pulling up a little bit of moisture. So you'll notice every day your hands starting to not feel as dry, right? The moisture is going to be there. Eventually, by the time we get to Tuesday morning, it leads us to fog. It also leads us to the chance of rain. And by Wednesday, the threat of thunderstorms now enter our forecast. Here's the proof in your futurecast for you. So by tonight at 8 o'clock, still dealing with predominantly clear skies, right? It's not going to be tomorrow, I'd say, until we get to about 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock. You start really to notice the clouds starting to increase throughout the area. But we're still dry. It's not going to be until late Monday night, say midnight, all the way through 6 a.m. Tuesday. Now we're starting to feel or hear that pitter patter on the rooftop there. Light rain coming on down throughout the city of Baltimore, pushing out over toward Annapolis as well. Lingering, I think, for the eastern half of Maryland until about 2 o'clock, but the city will clear out once we get to noon. When that rain is done, the rest of Tuesday will be dry. It will be fairly cloudy, and it will be obviously warmer than normal since we're talking about the heat. But now we get to Wednesday at 4 p.m. So a good chunk of Wednesday morning is dry, just cloudy and warm. It's going to be the late afternoon, evening hours. We see this stronger, heavier band of rain, and this is the one that carries the threat of thunderstorms with it as well. Rainfall totals from Tuesday, just maybe about 1/10 of an inch. But when you put together Tuesday and Wednesday's rain totals, you're now looking at almost 1/2 inch out over toward Bel Air, almost the same out over toward the Inner Harbor, Parkton. You're looking at about 4/10 of an inch in rain there. So for tomorrow, before we get the rain, and we're just dealing with the increasing in clouds, we just have the heat coming on down. So by 10 a.m., 43 degrees. Look what happens by noon. Mostly cloudy, 46. And now by 2 o'clock, pretty much overcast skies. Temperatures then into the upper 50s, so looking fairly nice then. 7-day forecast for you. Tomorrow, we work our way to 59 degrees. Late Monday night, we could see some fog develop. That will stay with us through Tuesday morning. That chance of rain as well Tuesday morning with temperatures around 56 degrees. Then we get to Wednesday. The morning half still pleasant. You're into the 40s. That's above average. In fact, we climb up to 60 degrees. The rain on Wednesday happens in the afternoon hours, and this is when we have the potential for thunderstorms. Obviously, it's too warm to deal with any snowfall. We get a cold front down though Wednesday night. That's what takes out the rainfall and drops our temperatures Thursday to 45. Once we hit that, temperatures just continue to tumble. Not only do they fall, but the wind increases, so that makes it feel even more brutal to the skin. Friday, 40 degrees, but feeling a lot like the 30s. Let's look at your 7-day forecast. Have a great day.